Hi everyone, my name is Noelle Henry and this is my intro video. For my field placement, I will be doing a worksite placement at my current place of employment, which is at a psychiatric hospital in the adult partial day hospitalization program. I currently am a social worker for dual diagnosed patients who have a mental health disorder and a substance use or alcohol use disorder. For my internship, I will be working in the alumni program, and that program consists of patients who have been discharged and who are doing well in the community, who are back to functioning at their level of normalcy, who want to still have the support of our program and the support of their peers in that program who they have built friendships and lasting relationships with. The program is twice a week on the first and third Thursdays of the month. So as an intern, I will oversee that. This is the first time that I am going to be doing an internship that is at my same place of employment. So I am happy because I am at one central location and I do not have to travel from one place to another. But I am nervous because there will be patients who will be returning that were on my caseload and know me as their social worker. And now they'll have to know me as the intern. So I will have to set up good, safe, healthy boundaries for when I'm working as a social worker and when I'm working as an intern. Thankfully, they are only patients who are discharged who participate in the alumni program, so I won't have to navigate or help them navigate when I'm in the role of an intern versus when I'm in the role of an employee, because they will no longer be on my caseload once they become a part of the alumni program. So I am truly thankful for that because that will be helpful for me and the patients. What I'm hoping to get out of this field experience as well as the field seminar is just to continue educating myself on different treatment modalities, continuing to educate myself in the field. For many years, I worked with kids. It was many, many years ago, even though I'm not that old, but it was many, many years ago that I worked with adults. And for the last 8 to 10 years, I've worked with kids. I am now back working with adults. So I am really just looking forward to rebuilding my skills, strengthening, honing my skills in working with adults, because it is a different set of skills that you need to have and use when working with children versus adults. So I am looking forward to continuing to build my toolbox for the skills I need in working with adults. As far as the seminar itself, just learning from my peers when you guys are submitting your posts and discussions for me to get ideas and more information from you. I feel that this placement will be different from my generalist one because, again, I'm doing it at my place of employment, where before I was working separate from my field placement. So I was able to see how my job and the place I did my field placement ran things and what their policy were, and I was able to bring things from my field placement to my job and also bring things from my job to my field placement. So this time I don't have that luxury, I guess, if that's what you can call it, because it is my job, but I still will be able to hopefully see things from a different perspective to from the intern side of things versus the employee side of things. So I'm just looking forward to seeing how I will navigate that and how my coworkers will navigate. Also, my coworker will actually be my field placement or site supervisor because she's a LCSW. So that's going to be interesting because we have a wonderful relationship as coworkers, and I don't anticipate not having a wonderful relationship with her as a site supervisor, but we shall see. Like I said, we get along very well. We are able to laugh and joke and do our job as coworkers. So I really don't think that will change once my role changes for the 4 hours a day as an intern. So we shall see. I will keep everyone posted on that throughout the rest of this course. So I wish everyone luck and a wonderful 14 weeks. Thank you. Bye-bye.